Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by verifying both devices are ready. Update iOS, unlock screens, and join the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open settings on the iPad and confirm the Apple ID at the top. This is the source account. Make sure you have the password and can receive the two-factor code. Now pick up the iPhone and stay on the home screen. You'll sign in there. This prevents sync conflicts and ensures iCloud will merge contacts, photos, and settings when you confirm. On the iPhone, go to Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. Enter the exact Apple ID credentials from the iPad. When the two-factor prompt appears, get the code on the iPad or trusted device and type it in. This confirms device trust. Next, review the iCloud toggles and enable photos, contacts, and keychain if you want full synchronization. Be deliberate. Enabling keychain merges passwords. Enabling photos may start a large download, so monitor storage and Wi-Fi progress. Finish by checking settings your name iCloud to watch sync status. Wait until contacts and photos say uploaded or updated. If prompted, choose Merge to combine local iPhone items with iCloud from the iPad. This prevents data loss. If syncing stalls, sign out and sign back in on the affected device, restart both devices, and verify strong Wi-Fi. As a last step, check Apple system status for outages or reset network settings to resolve persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.